I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for a simple way to upgrade your laundry room, look no further than this countertop for your washer and dryer from Kaboon. This countertop is made for washer and dryers that sit side by side, and I love that it is a universal size because I just have such a hard time with other things that aren't universal. I want something that's one and done. And it was so easy to assemble. I could not believe how well it was packaged. Everything was so well organized and laid out when I opened the box, which is so rare these days. It ensured that everything was intact on delivery. That being said, this is very heavy duty and sturdy. It's going to last a long time, and I always make sure that I take care of it if anything spills to protect the beautiful finish. And speaking of which, I love the wood-like grain. It just looks and feels so very high-end. Like I said, it just immediately made my laundry room feel upgraded, and I also enjoyed the shelf set in the same color oak, also sold by Kaboon. It just ties the entire room together while giving me extra storage space. So, now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.